Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to change your work week and working hours of Calendar in Outlook. This is incredibly useful if you need to customize your calendar to match your actual working schedule, whether you're working non-traditional hours or want to adjust how your availability appears to colleagues. If you want to streamline your workflow and save money on subscriptions, check out the link in my description. Let's get into it. Start by opening your Microsoft Outlook app and logging into your account. Wait for your emails to fully load before proceeding, as this ensures all your settings are properly synced and ready to be modified. Once everything is loaded and you can see your inbox, you're ready to move forward. Now, to change your work week and working hours of Calendar in Outlook, navigate to the File menu located at the top part of your screen where all your tools and menus are positioned. Click on the File tab to open up the menu. This is where you'll find access to all the deeper settings and configurations for your Outlook account. Once your File menu has opened, adjusting your work week and work hours is quite a straightforward process. Look at the bottom part of your File menu and you'll see an option labeled Options. Click on it, an Outlook Options window will appear, giving you access to a wide range of customization features. From here, click on Calendar on the left side panel. This is the section dedicated specifically to managing how your calendar behaves and displays. Under the Calendar tab, you'll directly see the Work Time section. This is where the magic happens. From here, you can adjust your business hours using the Start Time and End Time drop-down menus. Simply click each drop-down and select the hours that match your actual working schedule. This customization ensures that your calendar accurately reflects when you're available for meetings and appointments. Additionally, you can set the first day of the week and the first week of the year from their respective drop-downs. These settings are particularly helpful if your organization follows a different calendar system or if you personally prefer your week to start on a different day than the default. Once you've configured everything from work week and working hours to your satisfaction, click on OK to retain the changes. Your calendar will now reflect your customized working hours and week structure. And there you have it. Your Outlook calendar is now tailored to your specific work schedule. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.